We are pleased to show you the 2019 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power lift gate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.